What I see, this is your testimony. Is that your testimony?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, tell us this, share this testimony quickly. Those of you that are watching, I want you to listen to this. How we can influence the physical realm through this the invisible. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. For 2 years, my family has been having trouble selling some properties that we own. We have been waiting for one person to sign. She has been resisting for over 2 years.
Did you hear that? The family property. The person who was supposed to sign so that this property can be sold was refusing to sign for over 2 years. And what happened after that?
My aunt instructed me, Donald Clark, to talk to my prophet.
So your aunt asked you to come and speak to me about the matter.
Yes.
And what did you tell me?
I said I would speak to you and that I knew that once I spoke to you, it would be done in the name of Jesus.
Somebody say, once I speak to my prophets. You see, everybody needs a prophet in their life.
That's true.
So you came and you spoke to me.
Yes.
And what happened?
You prayed. You told me that I was highly favored by the Lord and not to worry about it. She signed in June.
Come on, somebody! What month is this? The month of July.
Yes.
This is the month of July, right?
Yes.
So she came and she told me about it. I remember when she came to speak to me about it, and I told her, I said, go, it is done. Whoever is standing in the way of your breakthrough, whoever is standing in the way, that person must move. 2 years is a long time. So now the property has been given to you. So are you going to make money out of that property?
I'm going to partner with you in the media ministry. Like
Amen.
My God, my God, my God. She said, Papa, I want you to pray for me, because if you pray for me and this property comes to me, that person signs and the property comes to me, I'm going to partner with the ministry. How many of you know that if I know that you're going to partner with the ministry, I will pray properly? Now, you're not partner with the ministry. I pray with my one eye open. But if you are going to partner with the ministry, my God, I don't know who is here today. He said, Lord, he said, Papa, pray, I want to partner. I am here. I am here. So are you happy that God has done it?
Yes.
This is the invisible realm influence. You see, somebody in the natural was sitting on this property. So I'm not resisting. I'm not going to sign it.
Wow, Lord. Wow.
And now it is signed. Are you happy? Somebody rejoice for her. Rejoice. Help her to rejoice.